Hey guys, today we will be going over the thought process tab in Corvic AI. Clicking the eye icon shows the thinking blocks Corvic goes through in order to answer your question without making anything up. Here I asked our agent what information it has. Agent first captured my question as literal text, then sanitized it for clean input. It embedded the query to search engineering documents and selected related context. And by clicking context, we can see how it did this. Here in the context view, we can actually see where the agent got its answer from. Each result is scored for how relevant it is, and it even shows the exact page and section from the engineering documents. Here I'll ask a new question. How many cooling towers are there? Here our agent found the 4 cooling towers in the documents I gave it. It also shows the diagrams of the cooling towers. So let's see how our agent got there. Here we can see how our agent broke down the question step by step. One cool feature our agent could do is create graphs based on the data we give it. By clicking on the graphs, we could customize it, change its colors, and download it for use. Here we could see the steps that our agent takes in order to make the graph. In this case, our agent was able to give an SQL query, which was able to give the data we wanted.